Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So recently I've been seeing a bunch of Township players talking about this method that's supposed to give you unlimited cash and coins. I kept running into comments saying it works really fast and helps a ton with building upgrades, trains, factories, and all the expensive stuff that normally takes forever to save up for. At first, I honestly didn't know if any of it was real or just another fake thing people were hyping up online. But after seeing so many people mention it, I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens. So in this video, I'm going to show you the full process, step by step, everything I tried, and then at the end, we'll go back into Township together and check if anything actually changed on my account. The first thing I needed was my Township player ID. So I opened the game, went into the settings menu, and checked my profile section. Luckily, the ID was really easy to find and only took a few seconds. After that, I copied it and saved it for the next step in the process. Up to this point, everything was super simple and pretty quick to do. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. After that, I went over to the website everyone was talking about and looked for the Township Cash and Coins tool. It showed up in the list pretty quickly, so I selected it and moved on. Next, I picked the device I'm playing on. I use Android, but there was also an iPhone option available too. Then I pasted my player ID into the box, checked everything one more time to make sure there weren't any mistakes, and continued to the next step. So far, the whole process was actually really smooth and easier than I expected. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. This was honestly the moment I was waiting for the most. After I finished the whole process, I opened Township back up and checked my town to see if anything had actually changed. And almost immediately I noticed the extra cash and coins showing on the account. I didn't have to restart the game, clear anything, or sit there waiting for it to update. Everything appeared right away. Honestly, I thought it would either take longer or maybe not work at all, so that part definitely surprised me. But now you've seen the entire test from beginning to end, so I'll let you decide what you think about it. If you've ever tried something similar in Township before, let me know in the comments, because I'm curious how it went for other players. And if you want to see more videos where I test random mobile game methods, tricks, and tools, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.